Vuzix Blade smart glasses are a hands-free extension of your smartphone that displays your digital life right in front of your eyes. Never miss the action with a built-in high-definition camera for capturing videos and beautiful pictures. Simple swipe and tap interactions let you control your view. Powerful Cobra display engines. USB and Bluetooth audio with built-in microphones. Open platform for third-party app integration. Be connected, stay informed, and never miss a shot. Your digital life is important, but you find yourself staring at your smartphone all the time. With Vuzix Blade, being connected can be much more than that. It's about staying engaged with the conversation you're having and leaving your phone in your pocket. With Vuzix Blade smart glasses, you stay connected to your digital life while staying connected to your real life. Receive all the notifications you select, like messages, breaking news, and smart home alerts while your phone stays in your pocket. Vuzix Blade is instantly there to keep you informed. Vuzix Blade also keeps you informed.
Hey, yeah, I'll be there in about 20 minutes.
Answer phone calls and receive clear, concise directions you set up on your phone. Stay informed about your performance with connected devices. Keep focused on the open road, backwoods trail, or city streets with turn-by-turn directions displayed in front of you. The best camera in the world is the one you have with you. Quick access to the Vuzix Blade camera app means no more fumbling for your phone. With just a tap or a simple voice command, capture or record the most special and unexpected moments. Share your pictures in seconds or view them on your smartphone. You're always ready to capture and share. Be connected, stay informed, and never miss a shot with Vuzix Blade smart glasses.
What is up, everyone? So I have some pretty exciting news. We now have Anamorphic D-Squeeze for both photo and video in our Android app. So before we dive into this video, all you're gonna do is you're gonna mount your lens on your phone. You are gonna see it looking squeezed in the image, but then you're gonna see right here lens selection. Toggle that, hit Anamorphic. You'll see a D-Squeeze preview in the app, and you will also see the outputted photo or video D-Squeezed as well. We know this feature has been a long time coming, so thank you for your patience and persistence. We want to make the Android app as amazing as we possibly can. We have a bunch of features lined up. This was one that you guys definitely asked for and definitely wanted, so we are stoked that we finally have it. All right, so everyone knows that our anamorphic lens looks amazing for photos and videos when you shoot the traditional way, which is horizontal. You get that cinematic aspect ratio and those yummy flares. But as anamorphic lenses are becoming more mainstream and used by more and more people, we are seeing more and more ways to utilize this lens. Vertical video in general has taken the whole film industry by storm. There are some that are completely disgusted at the idea, while others are fully embracing it. You see this with filmmakers such as Jesse Driftwood, who's completely taken on a vertical format, but you also see this in a lot of music videos, the latest being a music video featuring Billie Eilish. So what we are talking about today is not just shooting vertical, but shooting vertical anamorphic with both photos and videos for IG stories. I first saw this done by Sam Sheffer. He posted a tweet of a vertical anamorphic photo at a basketball game, and I remember just thinking, huh? But after seeing that photo, I've tried it out a couple times, shooting vertical anamorphic, and I have to say, I think it's pretty dope. You still get everything you love about an anamorphic lens, just rotated. So think of it as like a mini, small, vertical panoramic photo. The aspect ratio of your phones, in this case we're using a Pixel 3, is a 4:3 image. So for IG stories, you actually have to crop in to fill that 9:16 frame, which then means you're gonna lose the size of your image. But with anamorphic, you actually get like a 2.3:5.4 image, which then slots into that 9:16 format on Instagram stories super well. You can use an app like InShot or Afterlight, which basically puts that white border around. So if you want to crop in your vertical photo or video, then you can have a little border around it, or you can just scale in to fill the whole frame. It's important to note that when you're scaling in, you will lose a little bit of that top and bottom image, but all in all, what you get is a photo that is much more suited for Instagram stories. There's just tons of content options in 2019. I feel like we're just inundated with so much stuff, and it's very, very hard as a creator to stand out. But this is just one of those ways that you can make your content look a little different. Works for both photo and videos. And if anything else, even if you're like, hey, that's kind of whack, it's just another way to shoot. It's another creative muscle to exercise. We've had a ton of fun shooting vertical with the anamorphic. We think it's awesome. And yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being a part of the Moment journey. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.